it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So today is Monday. Today we're going to Homegoods. Whoever don't want to go don't have to come, okay? If you don't want to come to Homegoods with us, sis, stay in the car.
And if you don't know, now you know, you know.
Right there, I think it's sold already, but it's huge. So cute. Good morning, beautiful people. Good morning. Y'all, I just finished making some ginger shots. Excuse my hair, it's early in the morning. It is 8:36. I've been up since probably like 6:15. I didn't go to the gym this morning. I'm actually gonna take today off because I'm gonna head over to my mom's house. I've been on the phone with, you guys know her as Casey Connection. She is trying to tell me that this octopus tastes good. Let me show y'all what she sent me this morning. Good morning. Fishy at all. Now what I would tell you is it's already cooked, and it came, I don't know if I told you, it came from Costco. Well, I did say it in the video, but it came from Costco. It's already cooked. You can pan fry it, steam it, or grill it, microwave. I cannot do octopus. Y'all, I'm real, I'm funny about that. And I was just trying to see if Kiana can make me some of those tacos. I can do it myself, but I don't know. I want my first experience to be, I know y'all like, girl, don't start on them tacos. I ain't gonna do it. I ain't gonna do it. I'ma chill. But I just made some fresh ginger shots. I just do plain ginger here, and then, you know, if I feel like squeezing a little bit of lemon or maybe some oranges, sometimes I just pour a little bit of it in my tea. So yeah, I did that this morning. So I'm getting ready to try to get myself together a little bit, or I might just do it at my parents' house, because I'm going to my parents' house this morning to try to help Ryan out. He did his second batch and he's shipping them out. So I think he said he worked like 9 hours straight. He up early this morning. The boy is tired, okay? So I'm gonna go over there and help him out a little bit. All right, y'all, so I'm finally dressed. I decided to get dressed at home, and I just took a picture for Instagram, so you guys go check that picture out. This is probably gonna be a pretty short vlog today because I wanna go ahead and help my brother, and I'm running behind because I did need to take a picture for Instagram. So that's what we're gonna do right now. I'm just wearing like this white top and white joggers, and it looks really cute and comfortable. So I ended up changing my clothes because he actually does need help with the sauce, and I don't want to get anything on my clothes, so I changed from out of the white. And I just have on like this gray top and my gray joggers, and I just tuck the top in so that way, you know, it doesn't look sloppy. It actually looks like a one piece. Let me show y'all. Sit y'all in my favorite spot for my outfits.
But this is it. Just something simple and cute, very comfortable. So I just have it tucked in like this. And yeah, that's okay, cute. So I'm gonna pop on some shades really quick and head over to my parents' house.
Hear what I've been saying, dedication.
All right, y'all, so I'm at my parents' house, but I'm recording on my phone because I didn't bring my camera. So we're getting ready to go to the post office to drop off these packages. I know my mama's standing on the side of me, ain't she, Ryan? She's standing there watching me, ain't she, with her hands on her hips. I knew it. All right, y'all. Here's all the boxes. It's almost stacked to the ceiling. And we're gonna get this stuff out to you guys ASAP. We're loaded up. I'm just waiting on Ryan to come out of the house. He also has my key, so I can't crank my car up, and I'm burning up. And I hope he's not looking for his phone, because I got it. Look who it is. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna clean my brushes. I'm gonna use some of this Clean Brush, Clean Face. I've had this for a while. I really don't use it because y'all know that I like to use Dawn when I clean my brushes. But we're gonna give this a try. See if it works. I bought this from, I'm gonna take this thing off. Oh hell. Coming out too slow for me. I bought this from TJ Maxx. So I'm gonna try some of this. And so far I don't like how it's working. Cause y'all know, like with that Dawn, it just slipped. The makeup just slipped right off. Let me see. I don't have any more Dawn because I've been using the Myers dish soap. I don't have any more. Man, so I don't have a choice. I gotta roll with this. I think I'm gonna just let it sit in some water for a little bit, because this is like not getting my, like, look at this. The makeup is not really coming off. So I guess I'm gonna just have to let them soak. And maybe I'll just run to the store and get some Dawn. Because I need to clean my brushes. It sucks. Oh. All right, y'all, so I'm sitting in the studio. Tony's gonna bring me some Dawn. So, I forgot to tell y'all yesterday about the Homegoods that I went to. I actually went to one of the worst Homegoods that we have here, but I really wanted to go to that Kohl's, and that's the only one that we have on this side of town. And Homegoods is right next door, so I just went in there, and that Homegoods suck. So I'll probably go to another one like this weekend maybe. But I've been getting a lot of questions about this hair, and you guys remember that time at my old apartment when I had ordered that 26-inch from a vendor on Amazon, but I switched out the frontal and I bought a deeper frontal. This is that same exact wig. Y'all know I just swap them out. So I'll have the link in the description box. It's on my Amazon store, but I'll just make sure that I leave it in the description box for you guys that want to order it, because I've been getting tons and tons of questions about it. And this is the exact same hair, but y'all know I usually would wear it straight. Sometimes I put curls in it, but this is it. So the parting is really deep, because the one that comes with this unit, I think is only like 4 inches deep, and I like my parting to go pretty deep. So what I did was just cut off the frontal that came with the wig, and then I bought another frontal and just sewed it on. So I'll try to find the frontal that I purchased as well and have all that in the description box. So just check the description box. And especially today would be the perfect day because today is Prime Day on Amazon. So is it today? Yeah, because I ordered something and I got $10 off or something like that. So today will be the perfect day to order something from Amazon. So y'all check the Amazon store and y'all get y'all shop on, child. All right, y'all, I got my Dawn. So let me show y'all the difference on how good the Dawn works on your makeup brushes. And I've been doing this for a very long time. I know some people don't like washing their makeup brushes with Dawn, but I don't have any type of side effects from it. My skin is perfectly fine. But can y'all see that? Let me show y'all. Y'all see how good the makeup just slides right out? All the oils from your face. So I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and clean these makeup brushes. I have maybe like 2 more, 6, 10 in here that needs to be cleaned. They're so dirty. Right, honey? Right, baby love? All right, y'all, so the brushes are nice and clean, and now I feel so much better because I'll have some clean brushes in the morning.